Here is how to find which apps on your Android phone are from third party that once you have installed and which came with the phone. So the easiest way is through the Google Play Store. First, open the Play Store application on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Now select Manage App and Devices. Here in this section, you need to go ahead and tap on Manage, which is beside the Overview section. This will show you a list of all third-party apps currently installed on your phone, the ones you downloaded from the source like Google Play, and you can uninstall them from here if you want. Simply go ahead and check this box and then tap on the trash icon in the top right corner of your screen and you'll be done. Another way is through your phone settings. So go ahead, open the phone settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. And here you'll see all of your apps. On Samsung phones and possibly others as well, you might also find a Samsung app settings area. Apps listed, there are typically built-in Samsung apps. So in general, apps in the main apps list are usually from the third-party apps that you can remove, while in those in Samsung or similar app settings are built in. So that's all. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.